Welcome to another Luke Sherman Presents video. This is Luke. Today we're going to discuss how to make a flash drive boot multiple operating systems. This is extremely useful for pen testing, recovering files, and reinstalling operating systems. It's an extremely straightforward process, so I should be able to get through this fairly quickly. First thing you're going to want to do is download YUMI from pendrivelinux.com. Scroll down about halfway down the page. You'll see the latest release in an executable form. If you're on Linux, download the Wine program and it will let you run Windows programs like this. Go ahead and save the file, and once it's downloaded, open the executable and run it. Accept the terms of service, and this is where you're going to want to plug in whatever flash drive you're planning to use. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You're going to need it to be at least 2 gigabytes for most things, and if you want to install multiple, you're definitely going to want 16 gigabytes or more. I have 5 operating systems on mine. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this one. This is one I've already set up, so we're going to start fresh. So we're going to format it to FAT32. Format it to NTFS if you want to do Windows, but in this case we're doing FAT32. We're going to go ahead and install Ubuntu, and we're going to we're going to have to download the ISO image from their homepage here. I'm going to download Ubuntu. Download the latest version and scroll to the bottom. If you're not wanting to put Ubuntu on the drive, download whatever image you need. This is going to take a while, so I'll cut. Alright, once you have the image downloaded, open up YUMI and click Browse under the Select your Ubuntu Desktop ISO. Obviously, Ubuntu will be replaced with whatever image you are installing. Go to your Downloads, open that ISO image, and then hit Create. Go ahead and say this, just telling you that you're about to format the disk. So I already know what that entails, and it will run through the process of installing Ubuntu onto this drive. Once the installation is complete, it should look like this. Hit Next. If you'd like to add another ISA or another OS, just hit Yes. In this case, I only want to keep the one, so I'm going to hit No. If you do decide to hit Yes, you follow the exact same process as you would for the first one, and it'll install 2 or more on the same drive as long as you have space. That is all there is to setting up a multi-boot flash drive. So to actually use it, you're going to want to turn off your computer all the way and then boot into the USB drive. There are plenty of other tutorials online that'll explain that, as it is unique to each computer. Thank you for watching. This has been Luke Sherman Presents.